What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm down in Atlanta. Just picked up a 2011 Mercedes C-Class from Insurance Auto Auctions. The car's just missing the logo, the emblem on the grill. The interior is in perfect condition. The car only has, what's the mileage? About 85,000 miles on it. This car's not for sale. It's already sold. So don't ask me about it. It's already sold. Before I even picked it up, it was sold. It's in great condition. The only issues we have with it is the mufflers was knocked off the what you call it, off the the hangers. I guess in the lot they banged it with the forklift and knocked the mufflers off the hangers. They also flattened the tire. The tire was gashed, so I had to put a donut on it. I'm gonna take that to get a new tire. Right now I got a hydraulic jack, and I'm gonna just try to fix the mufflers myself instead of going to the muffler shop, because it looks pretty simple. The mufflers are literally just slipped off of the hangers. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, it's dark outside. I finally got the mufflers back on their hangers. The rear diffuser, they kind of messed it up. I don't think I'll be able to get that fixed. It won't clip in right. They kind of bent that up. But the mufflers are back in place. That's the good part. No hanging exhaust. As you can see, I got both mufflers back in their hangers. Let's see if I can get under here and show it to you. Can you see that one? There's one hanger there. The second one is, hold on, let me see if I can find it on this camera. Okay, where are we at? Right, the first one's there. The second one is all the way back there. That's the left side. Let's take you to the right. And the first one is right there. The second one is back there. So I got the mufflers back on their hangers. That's the good thing. Now, the only thing left to do is dark, you can't really see, is I have to get this tire fixed. Look at this. They ripped the whole tire open with the forklift. So I got to get that tire fixed. I got to get a new tire. Then it's on the road, get this car to its new owner. Stay tuned for the next episode and probably the next car. Okay, we on day 2 with the C-Class from Insurance Auto Auctions. And another thing I forgot to tell y'all that I had to fix on that is, let me show you right now. These headrests, they have a whiplash protection system where somebody rear ends the car, or in this case, the forklift bangs into the back of the car. This part of the headrest pops out, it pops forward, it deploys like an airbag. And well, it took me a few hours after doing the mufflers, a few more hours to figure out how this system works. I had to find videos on it and all that, how you had to like redeploy it to make the it's like latches inside to make them unhinge, to open them, then to push these back to set them back into place, because the headrest, they come out like about a good 5, close to 6 inches. This whole piece of the headrest pops off of this back part. And both of them are like that. It took me a few hours, but I got them both done. Once I found out how to do them, after that it took about like maybe 10-15 minutes each to fix them back, but those are both fixed now, so that's done. I put the mufflers back on their hangers. For some reason this muffler is the left one seems a little lower than the right one. I think that the left one has a little bend in it, that's what it is, but they're both equally on their hangers. So I think the left one's a little bent. Well, when I get this car back up to where I gotta go, we'll have a shop going there and look at that. The rear diffuser, that thing, it just won't go into place right. It's like they bent it up, so I might have to get a new rear diffuser. But that's about it. Besides that, the car's in decent condition. Stay tuned. Support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. That dude, Mr. Royalty.